Installing an airflow sensor board. Make sure the airflow sensor cable is properly connected to the system board. Connect the cable to the airflow sensor board. Lower the airflow sensor board to the cable wall and then slide it forward until it is seated in place. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the board. Reinstall the following components: processor air baffle, all the PCIe assemblies, if applicable the internal drive cage, top cover, if applicable the security bezel. Refer to the Installing a Processor Air Baffle video to complete the parts replacement.